Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a channel on WhatsApp. This is an easy process to do. It's an option in the part of status of WhatsApp in the down part where you got all the channels of the famous people, of the famous marks and enterprise who got a channel, a WhatsApp channel. So I showed you that. The only thing you need to do here, I translate to you in Spanish how you can do that. So here you got the option here in the status. In this button of create channels in a side of channels, aquí dice canales. In this button create channel, crear canal, create channel, and after that you need to pick in accept and continue, and basically you need to put if you want to everybody got the option of join to your channel, or if you want to create a private channel. This is a two switches you want to activate. You pick in continue and you create instantly your channel, and after that you need to choose the people who you want to open this channel, or send I invite for those people. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.